If you're an ENT student, you should know that you get nitroglycerin versus suspected enzymes. But why exactly do you do this? Now, we're going to zoom in on one of the coronary arteries. I want you to picture in front of these arteries like a garden hose watering a different section of the flower garden. Now, imagine suddenly one of the hoses gets a kink in it. Now, that section of garden that is watering is no longer getting watering, so those flowers are going to start to die. This is exactly what's happening in the eye. One of these coronary arteries that is feeding specific cells of the heart muscle now has a blockage in it. Therefore, those heart muscle cells that are being fed blood and oxygen by this coronary artery are going to start to die.
So we're going to give something that's going to make the blood vessel get bigger. Clot's the same size, but now actually get a little bit more blood flow around that clot.
I want you to picture your shower head now. Let's say a rock suddenly gets stuck in the pipe feeding your shower. Let's say they also suddenly double the size of all the pipes in the house. Well, now there's going to be a little more space created around that rock, so we will get some water trickling through to our shower head. However, what's also going to happen is now our sink is going to have some pretty crappy water pressure. Now there's a lot of extra room in that pipe, and the water is going to be more trickle instead of a good stick stream. This is the same thing that happens in the body when you give nitroglycerin.
You should now be able to answer this question. The reason that we give nitroglycerin is not to lower the blood pressure, even though that's a side effect. It is not as an analgesic. An analgesic is something that specifically blocks pain receptors. That's not what nitro is doing. Nitroglycerin does not have anything to do with beta 1 and beta 2. It's a completely different mechanism. It has to do with nitric oxide. You can Google it if you want. The reason we are given nitro is to vasodilate and thus restore blood flow to the area of the heart that is dying because it is not getting blood flow. In doing so, we will inadvertently relieve pain, but we're not giving it to relieve pain, we're giving it to restore blood flow by vasodilation.